Hi, Mr. Marcus. Good morning to you. How we doing today? You're in your swing, huh? You like your swing in the basement. Look at you. Say, wee, I like my swing. I like my swing. I see somebody's little foot. I got the little foot. Yeah. Santa Claus is coming to your town pretty soon. He's coming to Auburn. So you better be good. Oh, you got something in your throat. You okay? Being such a good boy. Oh, yawn. You're tired, huh? I'd be tired too if I did all that squawking.